Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PowerShell for AI log analysis and automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft PowerShell GitHub releases page. Locate the most recent version of PowerShell for your operating system. For Windows users, click on the Assets dropdown under the latest release. Download the .msi installer file suitable for your system architecture. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to start the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Select the installation options based on your preferences. For a standard installation, proceed with the default settings. Complete the installation and close the installer window. Open the Start menu and type PowerShell to search for it. Click on Windows PowerShell or PowerShell to launch the application. To check if PowerShell is installed correctly, type $PS version table in the command line. Press Enter to view the installed version details. Next, you may want to install the AI modules and packages for log analysis. Open PowerShell with administrator privileges. To do this, right-click on the PowerShell application and select Run as Administrator. Install the required packages by using the command install module. Replace module name with the specific package name you need for AI log analysis and automation. Proceed by confirming any prompts to install dependencies. Once the installation of needed modules is complete, create a new PowerShell script file by using the command new item path c:\path/ to your /script.ps1 single quote item type file. Open the script file in your preferred text editor. Begin writing your log analysis and automation scripts using the installed modules. Save your progress regularly as you build your scripts. To run your script, return to the PowerShell window and navigate to the script location. Use the command /script.ps1 to execute your script. Monitor the output for any errors or successful execution messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.